Ever wondered what happens in your brain when you exercise? Well, prepare to be amazed, because it's not just your muscles that get a workout. Your brain does too. Just like your biceps, triceps, and quads, your brain is an organ that benefits from a good sweat session. Physical activity has a profound impact on our cerebral functions and overall brain health. Exercise is not just about aerobic capacity and muscle size. Sure, exercise can improve your physical health and physique, trim your waistline, and even add years to your life. But that's not what motivates most people to stay active. People who exercise regularly tend to do so because it gives them an enormous sense of well-being. They feel more energetic throughout the day, sleep better at night, have sharper memories, and feel more relaxed and positive about themselves and their lives. And it's also powerful medicine for many common mental health challenges. Now, let's zoom in on the brain and see the magic unfold. In the next couple of minutes, we will delve into the wonderful world of neuroscience and fitness and explore 5 things that happen in your brain when you exercise. We will discuss how exercise triggers an endorphin rush, boosts brain plasticity, reduces stress and anxiety, improves memory and concentration, and protects the brain from degenerative diseases. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Each of these points is a testament to the extraordinary power of exercise on the brain and why it's so integral in maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete, a weekend warrior, or someone just starting on your fitness journey, understanding the mental benefits of physical activity can be a powerful motivator. And remember, it's never too late to lace up those sneakers and make a positive change. Prepare to have your mind blown by how your brain reacts to a good workout. At number 5, we have the endorphin rush. Let's delve into this fascinating phenomenon. Endorphins, in essence, are chemicals produced naturally by our nervous system to cope with stress or discomfort. They're often termed as feel-good hormones because they can induce feelings of pleasure, euphoria, and relief from pain. Imagine them as your body's natural painkillers, and you won't be far from the truth. When you stub your toe, for instance, it's these endorphins that help dull the pain and keep you from dissolving into a puddle of misery. But that's not all they do. Oh no. These versatile little chemicals also have a significant role in that wonderful, elated feeling you get after a good workout. Now let's talk about exercise. When you exercise, your body recognizes this as stress. As your heart pressure increases, your brain thinks you are either fighting the enemy or fleeing from it. To protect yourself and your brain from stress, you release a protein known as BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, along with endorphins, to fight the stress and to feel at ease. This endorphin rush, or as it's more commonly known, the runner's high, is a real thing. It's your body's way of rewarding you for pushing yourself, for stepping out of your comfort zone and doing something that, let's face it, is hard. The endorphins that flood your system during and after a workout help to alleviate anxiety, reduce stress, and bring about a sense of calm. In fact, research has shown that these endorphins can be so effective that they're comparable to the effects of morphine on the body. It's a natural high, a euphoria that comes from within, and it's all thanks to these incredible feel-good hormones. And that's not all. This endorphin rush can also act as a natural antidepressant, helping to lift your mood and boost your overall mental health. It's an all-natural, side-effect-free way to give your brain a happiness boost. So, the next time you're feeling low, remember that a quick jog could be just what your brain needs to cheer up. Coming in at number 4 is how exercise boosts brain plasticity. Now you might be pondering, what on earth is brain plasticity? Well, it's not about your brain turning into a plastic figurine. Brain plasticity, or neuroplasticity, is the extraordinary ability of our brains to modify, change, and adapt both structure and function throughout life and in response to experience. This is the process that lets us learn new things and remember information. So, how does exercise come into play? Believe it or not, exercise has a profound impact on enhancing this neuroplasticity. When we exercise, our heart rate increases, pumping more oxygen-rich blood throughout our bodies, including our brains. This increased blood flow promotes the growth of new neurons, or nerve cells, particularly in the hippocampus, the area of the brain vital for memory and learning. In addition to neuron growth, exercise also stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This incredible protein acts as a sort of fertilizer for the brain, encouraging the growth and survival of existing neurons and fostering the birth of new ones. But it doesn't stop there. Exercise has also been found to enhance synaptic plasticity. Synapses are the junctions where neurons communicate with each other. By improving synaptic plasticity, exercise helps strengthen the connections between neurons, making our brain more efficient and adaptable. And the wonderful news? This isn't exclusive to marathon runners or Olympic weightlifters. Even moderate exercise, like a brisk walk or a leisurely bike ride, can provide these brain-boosting benefits. So next time you're considering skipping that gym session or morning run, remember that exercise is not just about sculpting a six-pack or building biceps. It's about building a better brain. A brain that can learn more efficiently, adapt more readily, and stay sharp as we age. Exercise doesn't just build muscles, it also builds a more flexible brain. Number 3 on our list is the role of exercise in reducing stress and anxiety. When you're working out, your body is not only building stronger muscles and improving cardiovascular health, but it's also doing wonders for your brain. One of the main ways this happens is through the regulation of stress hormones. The most well-known stress hormone is cortisol. It's what your body produces when you're in a fight or flight situation, and while it can be beneficial in small doses, chronic elevated levels can lead to a number of health problems, including anxiety and depression. But here's where exercise comes into play. Regular physical activity can help regulate cortisol levels in your body. When you exercise, your body perceives it as a minor stressor. This triggers a protective mechanism where your brain improves its stress coping mechanisms. It's a bit like a rehearsal for your brain, preparing it to better handle future, more significant stressors. Exercise also stimulates the production of endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators. These chemicals act as natural painkillers and mood elevators, reducing perceived pain and triggering positive feelings. This naturally decreases stress levels and helps to alleviate anxiety. Furthermore, exercise promotes better sleep, a key factor in stress and anxiety management. Regular workouts can help regulate your sleep patterns, leading to more restful and restorative sleep. And we all know how much better we feel after a good night's sleep, don't we? And let's not forget about the confidence boost that comes from achieving fitness goals. Whether it's hitting a new personal best, losing weight, or just feeling more energetic, these victories can provide a significant mental lift and reduce feelings of anxiety. So, if you're feeling stressed or anxious, try incorporating more physical activity into your day. It doesn't have to be a marathon or a strenuous gym session. Even a brisk walk, a short yoga session, or a quick dance around the living room can make a difference. Exercise can be a powerful tool to help you stay calm under pressure. Second on our list is how exercise improves memory and concentration. When we engage in physical activity, our heart rate increases, pumping more oxygen to our brain. This fosters the growth of new brain cells and the formation of new connections between these cells, essentially rewiring our brains to perform better. This process is particularly beneficial for our hippocampus, the area responsible for learning and memory. Regular exercise also stimulates the release of chemicals in the brain that enhance cognition. One of these is brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which acts like fertilizer for our brain, encouraging the growth and survival of neurons. Moreover, exercise plays a crucial role in maintaining cognitive health as we age. Studies have shown that it can help prevent cognitive decline and diseases such as Alzheimer's. This is largely due to its ability to promote brain plasticity and increase resilience to brain damage. So if you want to keep your mind sharp, keep those sneakers handy. And finally, at number 1, exercise can protect the brain from degenerative diseases. You see, when we engage in physical activity, our bodies go through a series of intricate processes that ultimately benefit our brain health. Regular exercise can reduce the risk of developing conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It achieves this by boosting the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that supports the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth of new ones. Physical activity also improves blood flow to the brain, supplying it with the necessary oxygen and nutrients it needs to function optimally. This not only promotes brain health but also contributes to its longevity. So, the next time you're contemplating whether to hit the gym or not, remember, exercise isn't just about toning those muscles or shedding those extra pounds. It's a powerful tool in our arsenal to combat degenerative diseases. Exercise isn't just about maintaining a healthy body, it's about maintaining a healthy mind too. So, let's quickly recap what happens in your brain when you exercise. First off, there's the endorphin rush. These feel-good chemicals are released, elevating your mood and offering a sense of euphoria. Then we have the boost in brain plasticity. Exercise prompts the growth of new brain cells, leading to improved cognitive flexibility. Next, we delve into the stress-relieving benefits of exercise. It lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone, helping to alleviate anxiety and promote a sense of calm. Furthermore, exercise enhances memory and concentration. It stimulates the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory and learning, making it easier to focus and remember. Lastly, we discussed how exercise can protect your brain from degenerative diseases. Physical activity has been linked to a lower risk of conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So, if you've been looking for another reason to get moving, remember that exercise does wonders for your brain health. Until next time, stay active, stay healthy.